guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 2 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Some motivation first, because many of you guys are emailing me that you don't feel confident while coding and all that stuff. Okay, so little message for you all. Consistency is key in coding. Okay, every line of code you write brings you one step closer to the mastery. Code daily, even if it's just for few minutes, because small steps lead to big progress. There are many guys who are not even solving one question in a month, and you guys are solving one question daily along with me, right? So you are way ahead of others. Okay, so don't lose confidence. Okay, just maintain the consistency and you are always way ahead of others. Okay, so see, we have started this journey this year from Jan month, and from then onwards we are solving one question daily. We have earned the badge for Feb month, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Many badges we have earned on this platform, right? So I hope that you guys are also solving one question daily at least with me on this platform, right? And I am making the tutorials for these daily problems, right? So if you are solving it, you are definitely ahead of many other people who are not even solving one question in a month. Okay, so just don't lose confidence, maintain consistency. Okay, so now let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 1331, rank transform of an array. So we have given an array of integers. We have to replace each element with its rank. The rank represents how large the element is. The rank has the following rules. Rank is an integer starting from 1. The larger the element, the larger the rank. If two elements are equal, their rank must be the same. Rank should be as small as possible. Okay, so with this example you guys will get much clearer idea. So this is array given to us, right? So here 10th is smallest element, then 20, okay, then 30, and then 40. So see, this is the result that I'm getting now for 1, 2, 3. 40 is the largest element, 10 is the smallest, 20 is the second smallest, and 30 is the third smallest. Okay, and here all the elements are same now, so rank must be same. Okay, so the rank has the following rules. Rank is an integer starting from 1. The larger the rank, the larger the element, right? If two elements are equal, their rank must be same. Okay, so this condition. All right, so this is what we need to do, right? And these are the constants given to us. Okay, now let's solve this problem. So this code is very simple, right? This is very easy problem. So we have this array given to us, right? So let's take the example of this array. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one more array, okay, temporary array, and in that array I'm just going to sort the elements 10, 20, 30, and 40. Okay, and in this temporary array, after sorting the elements, I will assign the rank. So this is first rank, this is 2 rank, this is 3 rank, and this is 4 rank, right? Then after that, in the end I will just iterate over my original array, and 40, for 40 the rank is 4, so here I am going to write 4. For 10 rank is 1, so I am going to write 1 for this one. For 20 rank is 2, I am going to write 2 for this one. For 30 the rank is 3, I am going to write 3 for this one. So this is what I need to do, simple, right? And here after sorting this, I will get elements like this only, 100, 100, 100. Okay, and the rank will be 1, 1, 1. Okay, so same rank, I will assign the same rank now if the elements are same. So this is what I need to do. Create a temporary array, sort that, and after sorting, assign the rank. If the elements are same, give the same rank. Okay, and then just assign the values, okay, of the rank in the original array. So for 40 rank is 4, so assign 4. That's it. So let's write the code. Code is also going to be very simple for this problem. So just first do one thing. Let's calculate the length of my array. So here I am just going to write int n is equal to array dot length. Okay, after calculating the length, let's create a new sorted array. Int sorted is equal to, here, right, we are just going to copy arrays dot copy of, okay, I'm just copying this array, original array, okay, and the length of this one is n. Okay, that's it. That's what we need, right? Now let's create one map. Now in my map I will store the rank. Okay, so integer, this is nothing but my key, and here my value, which is nothing but a rank. Okay, so rank is also going to be integer type, right? So here this is my map, new hash map. This is done. Then after that just sort this new array, okay, temporary array, arrays dot sort. In this, just pass sorted, and then after that take rank. Okay, rank is starting from 1, so int rank is equal to 1. Then after that, let's run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and here inside this, in the map, I will just put the values. Okay, map dot put take my current key, sorted of I is my current key, and for this key I'm just going to assign the value as rank. Okay, rename rank is 1 for the starting value, right? And then after that I will check if the next values are same or not. So here I'm just going to run one while loop while my I is less than n minus 1, and sorted of I plus 1 is equal to sorted of I. Okay, if the two values are same, then in that case we have to just add the same rank now. So here, but I'm going to just copy this here, paste it, map dot put sorted of I plus 1. For this I'm going to assign the same rank and increment the I. Okay, so for the same elements I'm going to assign same rank. That is why I'm writing this while logic. Okay, and once this is done, then always I'm incrementing the rank, okay, for the other elements. So that's it. So this is done. Then after that, here my this loop ends. Then again run one loop, okay, over the original array for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and here array of I. I'm just going to update the original array values. Okay, so here I'm just going to write map dot get, and here array of I. Okay, for this particular value I'm just going to get the rank. This is done, and in the end just return array. That's it. Now let's run it and see if there are code issues. Then we will try to fix that. So all the test cases has been accepted, right? So here we are sorting this array, right? And then we are running this loop. Okay, so for sorting process of n log n time complexity, and here it is also running for n times. Okay, this for loop, then of n inside this, right? And here this is just we are going over all the elements one by one only. So for this complete part, or time complexity is going to be O of n, and this part also is going to be O of n plus O of n plus O of n log n for this part. So overall time complexity I will say is going to be O of n log n because of this arrays dot sort. Okay, let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And you can see the time complexity from here. It is nothing but O of n log n. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.